to my channel. How you guys doing? In today's video I'll be going to a baby shower, a Guyanese baby shower, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. I'm gonna show you guys clips here and there, show you guys the different games, the different fun games we'll be playing, and it's just gonna be a nice, fun, simple vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Yes, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And we're on our journey right now to 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, 10,000 subscribers. So we say within the next 2 weeks, can we make it to 10,000 subscribers? I know you guys can do it, so subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this fun Guyanese baby shower. Enjoy.
So when you come in, you walk in, either one, you drop it. On your mark, set, go. Let's go. Ready? Yeah, go!
The problem is
Baby, too fast. There's a chubby baby. What's this? I'm going quick, fast, finish. She's dying. Let me see. That bit coming out. Alright.
The next one look like toast, so let me see. Like taking me out so close. Huh?
Just hold it for a minute to us.
Thank you, darling.
Oh. Look kind of dark.
Yeah. I bring you around soon tonight. Fancy phone there.
I will forget it.
The camera's dark.
Yeah, I can tell.
6, 5, 4. Oh, she bring up she. Just. She got one same phone like mine. I have the 12.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but she forget it. She bring it. She bring old. You got home already? Oh, you don't reach it's bank.
Do you want the whole game?
Okay, go no. Turn it off now. She just turn it off. Praise for my kids. Hey. She has one. I know, right? Girls.
Well, too late.
Pose up. Pose up. Nice picture because it's sending off.
Yes, you won. Let's see get back.
She gave her Rocky
Yes, baby white.
Rocky Gun.
Right.
Roxy Pocket. Yeah, the sister she forgot to give. Yeah.
Hammers, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
They were hammers.
You know, like them prices, right, girls?
Right.
Price is right. Price is right, so you can't bend. I ain't bending for you. Can you just give me a cheap?
All right, hold this let me send you.
So I wind up on me all
Don't worry, the belly gonna go down and I go wine again.
It's just the other day, she was whining with a big belly.
Alright. But I ain't whining for making nothing though.
See, sister, I got no finance when I shot.